kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is measurement. Okay. So in our previous session, we have already solved some questions of this chapter. And in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. Okay. So, are you all ready for it? Yes. So, let's get started. Our first question, the ratio of Anita's mass to Mamata's mass is 4:7. If their total mass is 99 kg, what is Mamata's mass? Option A 63 kg, B 45 kg, C 36 kg, D 54 kg. So, in the question, it is given that the ratio of Anita's mass to Mamata's mass is 4:7 and their total mass it is 99 kg. We have to find Mamata's mass, right? So we can write that Anita's mass that is equal to 4 parts. Then Mamata's mass it is equal to 7 parts because the ratio given is 4:7. Okay. So what is their total mass? Their total mass that is 4 parts plus 7 parts that is equal to 99 kg which is given in the question. So 11 parts that is equal to 99 kg. One part, what will be the value? One part that is 99 divided by 11 equal to 9 kg. But we have to find out Mamata's mass, right? So Mamata's mass, what is Mamata's mass? That is 7 parts. So Mamata's mass is equal to 7. One part equal to 9 kg. 7 part equal to 7 into 9 that is equal to 63 kg. So here correct answer is option A that is 63 kg. Got it? Okay. Coming to the next question. Praveen bought 5 tins of orange juice each containing 0.75 liter of orange juice. He poured the orange juice into a 6 liter container. How many more tins must Praveen buy to fill up the container with orange juice? Option A 30, B 2, C 5, D 3. So in the question it is given that Praveen bought 5 tins of orange juice each containing 0.75 liter. Okay. He poured the orange juice into a 6 liter container. So, how many more tins must Praveen buy to fill up the container with the orange juice? So, yes, the orange juice container it is containing 6 liter. Okay. But each tin it is containing 0.75 liter, right? So 0.75 liter that is present in one tin. 0.75 liter of orange juice is present in one tin. So in the 1 liter of orange juice it will be presenting 1 by 0.75 number of tins. Okay, and he poured the orange juice into a 6 liter container. So for 6 liter container, how many tins are required? That is 1 by 0.75 into 6. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 0.75. 0.75 we can write it as 75 by 100 into 6. That is equal to 100 by 75 into 6. So we cancel it with 25, 4, 3. Then 3, 6 it is cancelled with 2. That is equal to 8. Right? That means for filling that 6 liter container, we need 8 tins of orange juice. Got it? How many tins of orange juice we need? We need 8 tins of orange juice to fill the 6 liter container. But Praveen bought 5 tins only. We need 8 tins. Praveen has bought 5 tins. Right? So how many more tins required? The number of tins required equal to 8 tins in total. Okay. So more number of teens required, that is 8 teens that we need minus 5 teens that Praveen bought, that is equal to 3 teens. Got it? So here correct answer is option D, that is 3. Right? Coming to the next question. Sudhir has a mass of 25 kg. His mother is twice as heavy as Sudhir. Sudhir's brother has a mass of 1 by 4 of his mother's mass. What is the mass of Sudhir's brother? Option A 13 kg 500 gram, B 12 kg, C 12 kg 500 gram, sorry, D 13 kg. So in the question it is given Sudhir has a mass of 25 kg. His mother is twice as heavy as Sudhir and Sudhir's brother has a mass of 1 by 4th of his mother's mass. We have to find the mass of Sudhir's brother. So let's start. Mass of Sudhir, that is equal to 25 kg, right? Mass of Sudhir's mother, what is that value? Mass of Sudhir's mother, she is twice as heavy as Sudhir. So 2 into 25, that is equal to 50 kg. Next, coming about the mass of Sudhir's brother. Okay. So what is mass of Sudhir's brother? It is 1/4 of his mother's mass. That means 1 by 4 of 50 kg. Okay, you know of means into. So 1 by 4 into 50, that will be equal to 12.5 kg. And you know 1 kg, let me write here, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 12.5 kg, that is equal to 12.5 into 1000 equal to 12,500 gram or 12 kg 500 gram. So the correct answer is option C, that is 12 kg 500 gram. Got it? Coming to the next question. A 35.08 centimeter long wire is cut into two pieces. One piece is bent into a square of side 2.8 centimeter. What is the length of the other piece? Option A 23 centimeter, B 24.88 centimeter, C 24 centimeter, D 23.88 centimeter. So in the question, 35.08 centimeter long wire is cut into two pieces. One piece is bent into a square of side 2.8 centimeter. What is the length of the other piece? So we have cut the long wire into two pieces. Just pay attention. We are cutting the long wire into two pieces, not two equal pieces. Okay, just two pieces. And one piece is bent into a square of side 2.8 centimeter. That means that piece is bent into square, right? So we have to find the perimeter of the square, that will be the length of that square. Okay, so what is this side of the square? Side of the square, that is equal to 2.8 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square, what is the formula for perimeter of the square? That is equal to 4 into side. Okay, so 4 into side, that means 4 into 2.8 centimeter, right? So 4 into 2.8 centimeter, that will be here 11.2 centimeter, right? So length of one wire, length of one wire equal to 11.2 centimeter. So what is the length of the other piece? Length of the other piece is equal to, what was the total length? That is 35.08 centimeter minus length of one wire, that is 11.2 centimeter. Okay. So here the answer that will be 23.88 centimeter, which is present in option D. Got it everyone? Yes. Coming to the next question. Smriti used 40% of a 6-meter long cloth to make 4 flags and the remainder to make some skirts. If each skirt required 1.2 meter of cloth, how many skirts did she make? Option A 13, B 30, C 4, D 3. So, in the question it is given Smriti used 40% of a 6-meter long cloth to make 4 flags and the remainder to make some skirts. So each skirt required 1.2 meter of cloth. We have to find out how many skirts did she make. Okay. So how much cloth Smriti used for making flag? The length of the cloth Smriti used for making flags, that is equal to how much? 40% of 6 meter. Okay. So we know 1 meter equal. Okay. Let us do it as such. 40% of 6 meter, that is equal to 40 by 100 into 6. Yes. So it will be, if we cancel it, 2, it is 5. 12 by 5, that is equal to 2.4 meter. Okay. So Smriti has used 2.4 meter of the cloth to make flags and remainder to make skirts. So length of the cloth Smriti used for making skirt, that will be how much? Total was 6 meter and she has used 2.4 meter for making flags. Okay. So now it will be 3.6 meter. Now what Smriti is doing? She has made skirt of 1.2 meter. So 1.2 meter of cloth is used for preparing one skirt. So 1 meter of cloth, it will be used for preparing 1 by 1.2 of the skirt. So we have 3.6 meter of cloth left, right? So 3.6 meter of cloth, that will be 1 by 1.2 into 3.6. Okay. So the answer is 3. So correct answer is option D, that is 3. So Smriti made 3 skirts out of the remaining cloths, right? Coming to the next question, 24 cups of water are needed to fill 3 by 5 of a basin. How many cups are needed to fill half of the basin? Option A 15, B 35, C 20, D 40. So in the question it is given that 24 cups of water are needed to fill 3 by 5 of a basin. What we need to find out? We need to find out how many cups are needed to fill half of the basin. Okay. So for 3 by 5 parts or 3 by 5 portion of basin, how many water is required? How many cups of water? That is 24 cups. So for one part of the basin, that will be 24 divided by 3 by 5 equal to 24 into 5 by 3. Right? So it will be 40. 40 cups will be required. But we need to fill half part of the basin. So half part of basin, it needs one part needs 40 cup. So half part needs half plus half into 40, that is equal to 20 cups. Right? So correct answer is option C, that is 20 cups. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. Water flows into a tank at a rate of 350 ml per minute. How much water will be there in the tank after 3 by 4 hours? Option A 15.075 liter, B 1575 liter, C 15.75 liter, D 15,750 liter. In the question it is given water flows into a tank at a rate of 350 ml per minute. Okay. How much water will be there in the tank after sorry 3 by 4 hours? Okay. So here units are different. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 4 hour, it is equal to 3 by 4 into 60. Right? So that will be 45 minutes. So in 1 minute 350 ml water is flowing. Okay. In 1 minute amount of water flowing, that is equal to 350 ml, and in 45 minutes that will be equal to 350 into 45, right? That is equal to 15.750 liter. Okay, so it will be total, it will be ml. Let me write here, it will be 15,750 ml, which is not in the option, so we can convert it into the liter. We know 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, so 15,750 ml, it will be 15.750 liter. Okay, so yes, where it is present? It is present in option C. So 15.750, that is equal to 15.75 liter. You know, after decimal in the right hand side, 0 has no value, right? We have discussed it in the decimal chapter. Yes. So let's go to the next question. 7 similar iron balls and 4 similar steel balls have a total mass of 7.4 kg. Find the mass of each steel ball if each iron ball weighs 560 gram. Option A 870 gram, B 3480 gram, C 780 gram, D 3920 gram. In the question it is given 7 similar iron balls and 4 similar steel balls have total mass of 7.4 kg. We have to find the mass of each steel ball if each iron ball weighs 560 gram. So as per the question, 7 iron balls plus 4 steel balls equal to 7.4 kg. Let us convert it into gram because mass of the iron ball, it is given in gram, right? So it will be easier for us to calculate. So we know 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 7.4 kg equal to 7.4 into 1000, that is equal to 7400 grams, right? Okay, so we know mass of each iron ball. So mass of one iron ball, that is equal to 560 gram. And how many iron ball we have? We have 7 iron balls. So mass of 7 iron balls, that is equal to 560 into 7. Okay, so that is equal to 3920 20 gram. So it is the mass of 7 iron balls. Now we can find out the mass of 4 steel balls. How? The total mass is equal to 7400 gram minus mass of 7 iron ball, that is equal to 3920 gram. So that is equal to 3480 gram. So mass of 4 steel balls equal to 3480 gram. We have to find mass of 1 steel ball. Okay, that is equal to 3480 divided by 4. Okay, that is equal to 870 gram. So it is present in option A. That's why the correct answer is option A, 870 gram. Got it? Coming to the next question. A shopkeeper had 600 kg of sugar. He sold 252 kg. What percentage of sugar is remaining? Option A 48%, B 62%, C 58%, D 42%. In the question it is given, shopkeeper had 600 kg of sugar. He sold 252 kg. What percentage of sugar is remaining? Okay. So, the amount of sugar, the percentage of sugar sold by the shopkeeper, that is equal to 252 kg that he sold, divided by 600 kg, that is the total amount of sugar the shopkeeper had, into 100. Okay, so that is equal to 42%. So the shopkeeper had sold 42% of sugar. Now we have to find out the percentage of sugar remaining. So the percentage of sugar remaining. So total percentage, it is always 100%, right? So percentage of sugar remaining, that is 100% minus 42%, that is equal to 58%. Okay. So correct answer is option C, that is 58%. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. 20 kg of cashew nuts are divided into 2 boxes in the ratio 2:3. How many grams of cashew nuts are there in the lighter box? Option A 1200 gram, B 8000 gram, C 800 gram, D 12,000 gram. So in the question it is given 12 kg of cashew nuts are divided into 2 boxes in the ratio 2:3. So how many grams of cashew nuts are there in the lighter box? Two boxes are there, right? So one box, it is containing 2 parts of cashew nut, and the other box it is containing 3 parts. Why? Because the ratio it is given 2:3. So 2 parts means it will be the lighter one, right? And 3 parts means it will be the heavier one. So what are the total number of parts? 2 parts plus 3 parts, it is 5 parts, right? So total amount of cashew nut, that is 2 parts plus 3 parts, is equal to 20 kg. That means 5 parts is equal to 20 kg. Now 1 part is equal to 20 divided by 4, sorry, 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4 kg. So 1 part is 4 kg, right? So we have to find out how many grams of cashew nuts are there in the lighter box. So the lighter box, it contains how many parts? Lighter box contains 2 parts. Yes. So 1 part is 4 kg. 2 parts means 2 into 4 kg, that is equal to 8 kg. But in the option there is no answer whose unit is kg. Everything is in gram, right? We know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 8 kg, that will be equal to 8 into 1000, that is equal to 8 1000 gram. And where it is present? It is present in option B. Got it, everyone? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay? So meet you soon. Bye bye, everyone.